Well, somebody asked me on one of the videos that I made about my hernia that I've had probably 3 separate hernias. The first hernia I ever had was maybe the second video I ever made on this channel, and it was about that big golf ball sized hernia, umbilical hernia. So anyways, I had that repaired. I can't even remember the dates at this point. So 2016, maybe late 2015. And then later, both me and my now wife, then girlfriend, we had vertical sleeve gastrectomy surgeries done for weight loss assistance because we were both pretty overweight and needed help. And when they go in to do that with a robot, it's like 5 holes that they put in there, and it created it set the stage for another hernia that I ended up having. So I had a ventricle hernia because of the trocars, because of my vertical sleeve surgery, and then I lost a bunch of weight. Losing the weight made the umbilical mesh not fit correctly anymore because my mass had reduced. And so then I had another hernia coming up, and I went in to the doctor and my surgeon who did the same VSG surgery, and he did a hernia repair that consolidated the old mesh from the umbilical and then the new ventricle need that was above my navel, a little bit, a couple of inches, 2 inches above my navel. And that's what my last repair was. And that repair has become defective. It was actually defective, man, I want to say it was probably in 2019 that I know that I'd messed it up from. It was hanging knee raises is what caused it. I remember feeling it. And ever since then, it's gotten a little bit worse, but I've gone back over the years and had them check it, and he'd press in on it and it'd say it's still intact, you still have a fat pad, your internal organs aren't estrangulated. And so, oh man, my finger's showing up on this, sorry. And so he didn't want to do a surgery. He said, until it gets worse, let's just keep watching it. Well, over the past couple of years, it's gotten a little bit worse. I can feel it ripping north a little bit, and maybe even south a little bit. So I feel like the defective part is a little bigger than it was, obviously, 4 or 5 years ago. So I went to see my surgeon, and we decided that I need a revision. So I need a repair revision. So I'm slated to have hernia repair surgery again, October 25th this year. I have to go get a CT scan so that he can have a game plan and see how much damage has been done inside of there. I don't feel like my guts are going to fall out, but I do occasionally have pain. Right now I'm not in any pain. Sometimes if I eat something that bloats me a little bit, I'll feel it because just internal pressure. When I'm singing on stage with my band, sometimes singing will cause it. There's just little bitty random things that cause it. But I always have this like mental, I'm worried I'm going to mess it up. So there's always this hesitant to really be fully active in life. And I'm sick of that too. I'm ready to have a permanent solution in place. And I know it's going to be painful. I'm going to have to go back and rewatch some of my videos on how to sleep and how to get in and out of bed and how to poop and all this stuff that I made videos on because it was important. I don't quite remember all of it at this point. So I'm going to watch my own videos for advice. But in addition, part of this update is I guess I'm feeling down because I just went to my dentist. I had a root canal done, and the tooth that the root canal was done on had a hairline fracture. Well, literally last night, I'm waiting for today's appointment, and I'm going to get the crown prep, and I split my tooth. So the hairline fracture split the tooth in half. It was painful. I went in today. She said, Chris, we can't do nothing with this. We can't save this tooth. So I'm going to have to get an implant. And so I'm just, like so many things I feel like are coming down on me at once. I know that there's people that have worse problems, and I hate to sound like a whiner, but I don't know, I'm just kind of feeling down. I did want to go ahead and make a video of how the hernia has progressed, The repair was well enough. I probably didn't give it enough time to heal properly back then. You know, I was a little impatient. Back then I was vaping too. I'm not trying to do any bro science, but I can tell you that vape causes, it can cause a problem for your soft tissue matrix to heal properly. Any smoking does too. Any nicotine can cause that. So maybe if I hadn't been vaping upon the healing process, that the hernia wouldn't have gone bad. I don't know. Whatever reason, I need another one. And so I think I'm a little healthier this time, this go around. I'll be a little more cautious with the repair. My lifestyle is definitely a lot healthier now than it was then. So even though I'm kind of, you know, down today, I'm optimistic about the surgery. So Thursday I'll go get my scans this Thursday, and then in a couple of months, month and a half, that's actually the day before my birthday. My birthday is October 26th. October 25th, I'm going to have hernia repair surgery again. So anyways, that's the update. Is sometimes they go bad for whatever reason. If you lose weight, gain a bunch of mass, lose a bunch of mass, it can change it because the mesh doesn't, you know, squeeze and contract. The mesh is pretty strong and solid. And just do what your doctor says. You know, follow their advice. Do all of your prep. Watch my video for, you know, how to go to the how to assist to go to the bathroom, because that was a big, I remember it being just a terrible ordeal. So I'm going to do a lot of prep work for that. But see what you can do. Take care. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you.